For families in Middleton, creating a healthy and comfortable living environment is always a top priority. While many homeowners focus on cleaning, air filters, and HVAC systems to maintain better indoor air quality, one element often gets overlooked: the windows. Old, drafty, or poorly designed windows can allow allergens, dust, humidity, and even outdoor pollutants to creep into your home. Replacing them with modern, well-designed windows can make a surprising difference, improving both your family's health and your overall comfort. Why indoor air quality matters. Indoor air quality directly impacts your family's health and well-being. Poor air circulation or the buildup of pollutants can lead to increased allergy and asthma symptoms, higher risk of mold and mildew growth, stale or unpleasant odors, greater exposure to outdoor pollutants like dust, pollen, or exhaust fumes. For Middleton families, where seasonal weather changes can trap humidity in the summer or keep homes sealed tight in the winter, windows play a major role in how fresh and clean your indoor air feels. How old windows hurt air quality. Older windows are often part of the problem when it comes to maintaining a healthy indoor environment. Common issues include drafts and leaks, gaps in seals or frames let in outdoor allergens and pollutants, condensation. Inefficient glass promotes moisture buildup, which encourages mold. Difficult ventilation. Older designs may not open easily or provide proper airflow. Dust buildup. Warped or deteriorating frames often harbor dust and allergens. Over time, these problems don't just affect comfort, they can lead to long-term health concerns if left unaddressed. How new windows improve indoor air quality. Better ventilation. Modern window designs, such as casement or double-hung windows, are easier to open and allow more control over airflow. This helps Middleton families let in fresh outdoor air while pushing stale air out. Airtight seals. Replacement windows are engineered with advanced weather stripping and insulated frames. This prevents unwanted outdoor pollutants like pollen or vehicle exhaust from sneaking inside. Moisture control. New windows with double or triple pane glass and low-E coatings reduce condensation, which minimizes the risk of mold and mildew growth, two major contributors to poor indoor air quality. Allergen reduction. Smooth, modern window frames and sills are easier to clean and less likely to trap dust and allergens compared to old, deteriorating wood or aluminum frames. Improved filtration options. Some new window systems even pair with built-in screens or filters that help block dust and pollen while still letting in fresh air. Everyday benefits for Middleton families. Upgrading your home with new windows has immediate and noticeable benefits for your family's daily life. Fewer allergy flare-ups. Reduced pollen and dust intrusion means easier breathing. Healthier kids' rooms. Mold-resistant windows help prevent respiratory irritants from developing. Cleaner interiors. Less dust and outdoor debris makes maintaining a tidy home easier. Fresher atmosphere. Proper airflow creates a more pleasant, comfortable living environment. For families who spend more time indoors, whether working from home or enjoying family activities, these improvements make a big difference. Beyond air quality. Extra perks of new windows. While healthier air is a major benefit, replacement windows also bring additional advantages. Energy efficiency. Insulated glass helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Lower utility bills. Reduced reliance on heating and cooling systems saves money. Curb appeal. Stylish new designs give your home a fresh, updated look. Resale value. Buyers appreciate homes with modern, efficient, and healthy features. Final thoughts for homeowners in Middleton. New windows are more than just an upgrade in style. They're an investment in your family's health and comfort. By reducing drafts, controlling moisture, and improving airflow, replacement windows can significantly enhance indoor air quality. If your current windows are old, leaky, or showing signs of wear, it may be time to consider replacement. With professional installation and the right designs, your family can breathe easier, enjoy fresher air, and live more comfortably year-round.